One of the downsides of the China manufacturing model is that they produce long production runs and it takes forever for that product to get here to the States, which leads us to the concept of faster. So what does faster mean? Basically what it means is shipping whenever the customer wants it. If you're a small to mid-sized U.S. manufacturer and you're competing with China and you're delivering product to your U.S. customer base whenever they want it, then China cannot beat that. Maybe, in some instances, they can equal it, but they can never beat you. The first thing to do, as always, is to benchmark the competition. So we know that Chinese manufacturers, that their strength is longer production runs. We know that in order to keep the costs low, it's better for them to ship by boat. So that takes a longer time. One of the things that surprised me in talking to some of these small to mid-sized U.S. manufacturers, they already have the capability to do this, they just haven't done it. If a customer asks them to ship in 3 or 4 days, they'll do it, or overnight, they might do it. But they haven't made that a standard lead time. They haven't made it a standard part of their business model. So these small U.S. manufacturers can better compete with China if they take what they consider exceptional service on a sporadic basis and simply make it part of their business model. As with the principle of fewer, implementing the principle of faster also requires a very good team because, again, you're speeding up the flow of your business through your factory. So you got to have good people. Perhaps you focused your team on a quick turn, on sporadic orders in the past, but now what you're doing is you're making it an everyday part of the business. For example, all of these orders that formerly shipped in 3 weeks are going to ship in 3 days, not just one occasionally, because you're actually going to put that on that production order and it's going to go through the factory, it's going to ship in 3 days. So it does require a team with a sense of urgency and a team that can make that happen on a day-to-day basis. A couple of little tips. One is orders have to get to the production department as quickly as possible. There can be no delay. So that, again, it speaks to the quality of your team. You need to have constant contact with the customer to make sure that you have all the information you need before the clock starts on your production lead time. So we've talked about the principle of fewer, we've talked about the principle of faster. Those are essential to what you're trying to do in competing with China. But if you produce product more quickly, and if you're producing smaller quantities of that product, and you've got your U.S. customer's attention who's currently buying from China, none of that will matter if the product is poor quality or if the product is unsafe. So let's talk next a little bit about what it is to be a finer company.
We want to hear your stories about how you're implementing the principles of fewer, faster, and finer to beat China manufacturers. So please go to our website, AmericanDragon.us.